As part of the Lesotho and South Africa water deal, President Cyril Ramaphosa has pledged 30 million rands to make sure that they keep HIV and tuberculosis under control in Lesotho. And as you know, obviously right now, many countries are not really receiving US aid. So any aid countries can receive can be a good thing. And Lesotho was also complaining that they're not getting enough money for supplying South Africa with water. But another thing about Lesotho, something that we don't know about, is that Lesotho owes South Africa 134 million rands in medical bills in the Free State. So obviously, you know, Free State is way close to Lesotho. So most Lesotho people go to the Free State to get medical care. And as you know, South Africa and Lesotho borders is not really a border. People from Lesotho, they just walk to South Africa. Like, there's not much of a border there. That's why many people keep on saying that Lesotho is the 10th province in South Africa, which can seem like it's true when you check the relationship between Lesotho and South Africa. So yeah, the 30 million rands that's pledged to Lesotho is part of that water deal. So I guess it will be these kind of deals whereby South Africa won't like directly just give money to the president or into the president's bank account. The money, the reference for it, when they send it, they will say, okay, this will be for TB research or maybe for HIV or whatever. And the Lesotho government can do whatever they want with that money anyways. It's not like when the ANC, Abo Ramaphosa, get like 5 billion for lockdown COVID relief. They actually told us how they used that money. They just used it the way they thought it was okay. We don't know where the money actually went, but according to me, some of the money actually went on to actually help people during the lockdowns. There was a lot of money that was released. I also got some money. I think it was like 3,000 rands. The time I was at home during lockdown, I was not working, but it was only for a month. So I got like 3,000. They actually said that money was from UIF. I'm not really sure about that because UIF, some of the people that I was working with, when they got UIF, they got their full money. But anyways, I'm going off topic a bit here. But anyways, Lesotho, they are getting that 30 million rands. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is warranted? Do you think there are other ways or other deals that we can make with Lesotho rather than paying this money, because they still owe South Africa for the 134 million rands for the hospital bill? And how are they going to pay that? How will Lesotho actually afford 100 million rands? Because even 200